Today, Tanzy and I are going to walk in the area where I'm thinking about buying a house. We're just going to walk in that area just to feel it out. I'm a little excited. It's 6:40 in the morning. It's taken us about 15 to 20 minutes just to get out of our neighborhood. I guess because it's so early in the morning and people are trying to get out. So I'm trying to get the feel of how the traffic is, how the walking feels, and if it's a good vibe. Come along! Alright, so we found a place to park. It's very quiet around here. I don't even know if I need rocks. A lot of shade around here. I see a lot of people walking their dogs now, and it's almost 7 o'clock. It only took 10 minutes to drive here. Yeah. This is a nice little park over here. Looks more like a little kids park. Nice shaded area. Come on. Oh, they do have wild dogs. They do have street dogs. Shit. Okay. They have fruit. Oh, there's another street dog. But they seem to be minding their business. Fruited trees. I don't know what kind of fruit that is. Oh, another street dog. Okay. So that's 3 street dogs I've seen in the span of less than, 4. In the span of less than 2 minutes. Now the front area of these houses are very long. Like, you can have a nice sized driveway with these houses. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the paint job, but these are older. If I were to buy a house here, it would be built from scratch. So I think there's a certain amount that you have to put down. Another street dog. Is that the same street dog? But there's a certain amount that you have to put down, and it takes about 6 or 7 months to build the house. Okay. All right, let's go on the main street, Tanzy. Come on. Buenos dias. Come. Come on. I only have 1 rock. No, I took the rocks out. Dag nabbit. And I don't see any rocks here. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, so you have a nice walking area. Come on, Tanzy. We can still... A nice walking area here. I think across the street is a totally different development, but the houses are sold out of the same sales office. Like I was saying, the only issue that I have is the older houses seem to have paint that's chipping. So we have a lot of shade. Not that much traffic. A lot of birds. Wouldn't say shade. We have a lot of trees. Tanzy, over and stay over there, please. And with the traffic, I guess with the trees, it's kind of quiet. So they have new construction going on across the street here. Like I said before, I think this is a different neighborhood. It's just sold out of the same office. I think these are even more expensive because they're bigger. So we're going to go back in the neighborhood in a minute. I just didn't want to be around the wild dogs. So we'll walk down the end of this street and then go back into the neighborhood. So I'm a little confused. Oh, where are we? I don't even see a street sign. I'm a little confused because this does not appear to be the same development. But it's not too far from where we park. Can we stop tangling me up? Thank you. These look like totally different houses, but they don't. Okay. Over. Again, what I like is the driveways are much longer than where I am now, because I have a fear of driving into the house. And they're a little wider too. I don't know what size houses these are. I mean, the backyard is big enough to have a palm tree or two. Hola, buenos días. Cute little park area. Over. Thank you. Someone's selling organic eggs. Can we go down the street, please? Now, this is the front of what the houses look like. This green one. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't pan out for some reason. This phone sucks when it comes to this. That's kind of what the house would look like. We definitely have barking dogs. Still have barking dogs. I really like that the front yard is much wider as well. I mean, I would be paying for that. Another street. There's a big boy. Can you get over? Why are you walking towards the dog? What is wrong with you? Nice car. You can have a tree. That's the same model right there with the tree. Oh God. Nice little corner lot there. Oh my God. Tanzy, you better not. Let's go. Stop causing chaos. Okay, come on, let's go down here. I'm just wondering how come people are parking on the street if you have such wide parking. I guess it's easier. Come on over. Come on over here. Oh. Come on. Wonder how old these houses are. This is a smaller model we just passed. Look at this one. They pull. The balcony is all the way out. Oh my God. Yeah, if we walk, oh. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. The balcony is pulled all the way out. Wow. I'm trying to have us walk in the street so we don't freak out other dogs. All right, come on over. Come on over. And the entire time she's trying to run to the gate. That's interesting. Again, the only thing that I don't like is this paint job. I don't like the paint job on these houses. And I've seen a couple of houses where they're replacing the paint job, and I'm hoping it's just the paint and not the concrete. This one's freshly painted. Over, come on over here. And I think, so when the house is built, I think they do put concrete slabbing down for the cars. That's neat. Come on. I like that color right there. Sorry for the instability of the phone. I should have brought my other one. Oh God. Yeah, so if we were to come here and move here, we're definitely going to have to walk on the outside. I don't even know if it's loud because of all of this concrete. Here's one for rent. Right here. Can't pan out, unfortunately. 231 is the address. I'll give you the street if you're interested. It's on Calle 71. That's nice. I want to go this way. If I can go this way. Oh, you're right. Never mind, Tanzy, you're right. We can go this way. So I'm wondering. Oh, here's another one for rent. I don't know the number though. What number is this? 237 is the number. I'm gonna have to put you on pause. You have a nice sized backyard if you move there. Yeah, I really like these. All right. All right. Move over. Come on. Come on. Oh my, so tiny. Ooh, look at all of that concrete. I see why people walk on the outskirts of the development. All of these dogs barking. Oh, that's nice. But you see all of the window space there? That's why I like this area. Because of the vast windows, the number of windows. And I know in the summertime that may not be the best option. I don't know. Maybe you put some shade, some good curtains, blackout curtains. Maybe you'll be fine that way. I don't know. But even if I decide to put a garage, you still have a walking area, and you have your vehicle there, and you can walk in. You have a walk-in entrance here. Very nice. And this is the water station right here. So there's shouldn't be any problems with water because the water station is right in the neighborhood. Very nice. Now, I don't know where there's new construction in this area. That's the odd thing. Come on, let's go to across the street. We're in the park that we originally walked past when we first got here. And I haven't seen any dogs since we walked on the main roadway. I am assuming they're walking in the jungle behind this development. And they have a nice little corner house here. Look how long that is. Look how long that lot is. Sorry for painting in the sun. Nice, pretty front door, but the house that I'm looking at does not look like that. I think these are the bigger ones. Loving the shade of the park. All right. We're going to walk on the main area again, so you can see what that area looks like. So I'm going to turn it off and then get towards the main area. Okay, we're back. Walking on the main street. Come on, Tanzy, leave that be. I guess there's not a lot of sun early in the morning because if you can tell by my shadow, the sun's right behind me. I guess once it falls behind the walls, then you'll have enough shade. But right now it's directly behind me, so walking around here at 7 o'clock in the morning, it's not going to be a good thing. Okay, so there's a commercial area there. All right, they have a lavanderia, a pharmacy. It looks like a restaurant. Oh, they have a veterinarian pharmacia there. Please stop pulling me. A barber shop. What else? I think that's an ice cream place. So a lot of the places that you need to go, you can go inside of this development. And I know, speaking to the sales rep, you cannot, the one thing that you can't do here, and I don't think I would do it, but I think it's a good thing, is that you cannot make the residential areas into commercial areas. So in other words, you can't have a business outside of your house. Sometimes that's a good thing. Okay, so we're coming up on dogs. Oh, and there's a 7-Eleven here. There's not an OXXO. That's not a good thing. I need an OXXO. All right, hold on, Tanzy. Stop. See where they're going. They're going this way. Hold on. All right, so we're going to have to put this on pause again. Okay. Still a lot of jungle area. And I think these houses right here are even more older than the houses that we originally saw. I don't know where the new construction would be. This is the traffic. 2-lane traffic. And it's not one way in, one way out like it is at the other area. Because you can get out, and I've been here before, you can drive out in the Cholul Concal area. I don't know how I did it, but I got lost here before and I ended up there. I'm just really trying to figure out where are the new constructions for this area, and I have not seen any. That's another concern that I have. Stop, mommy. Stop. Pretty little girl. All right. Over. Tanzy, over. Over. You're not coming over here. I don't know what's over here. Okay. So as you can see, it's just shaded area. So I'm going to put it on pause again. I'm trying to get to the dog park just to check that out. And I'll turn it back on once we hit the dog park. So those are the sample houses there. I went into that house there, and then the far left house, and I was very awed about the houses. This is the main area here. So you have a tennis court, which is in the center there. You have a little workout center, workout area right there where that gentleman is coming out. You have another little park for kids, the walking area here towards the dog park. Nice and green. I don't even remember it. Oh, they may have a sprinkler system. I'm like, I don't remember it raining. Nice and green here. You have a security guard. Oh, let me see if I can. Can you see him? Oh, no, you can't. You have a security guard behind that electrical box right there. Come on, Tanzy. Come on, let's see what this dog park looks like. Oh my. You would come out of here dirty. Oh my, you would come out of here dirty. I don't know if we're going in there. There's nothing but mud. Come on, we're not going in there. Come on. But that's what the dog park looks like. But with the park that we live in now, I say give it a year or two, it's going to be the same way. Nothing but mud. Because how can you keep up with that? There's dogs everywhere. Okay. So we're going to head back to the car now. I'm going to put it on pause again.